Thanks to this, now she has the hair of a girl of 13 years, beautiful and long. All parts of our body need care and hair is not exempt. That is why we must give it the care it deserves using conditioners, special shampoos and various treatments, although we know that all this is not economic at all. None of this should limit us, since nature provides us with excellent materials to give you the life you deserve. Learn how to prepare this incredible recipe that will help you give life to your hair. Is very simple to prepare and you will only require 15 minutes of your time. Do you dare to try it? Hair and women can get to express a lot of themselves, so we must try to always be in the best shape, that reflection of us. For the realization of the hair reviving mask, you do not need exotic or unique ingredients. For the preparation of this recipe against hair loss, orchestrating and cracking, it will only be necessary to have on hand the following: 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/2 cup of olive oil. Preparation method: you should start by heating the olive oil in a bowl on the stove, so that it reaches a regular or warm temperature. When you get to this point, pour the cinnamon powder and honey. With the help of a kukara, removes the ingredients until a homogeneous mixture is made. Let the mixture reach a room temperature, and with the aid of a small dye applicator or brush, spread the mask on your leather hair. When you are finished, let it act for 15 minutes, providing gentle massages on the leather hair so that it penetrates more the mask. Remove the mask with plenty of water and condition your hair when you finish. In a few days you will notice the effect of this mask on your hair. You will leave it shiny and strong.